This is Varun. We were getting a lot of requests that whether the QuickBooks, which is being used in UAE, can we can we take the printouts? I mean the tax invoice printout as per the FTA, the receipt vouchers, payment vouchers. If you're already using QuickBooks from a long time, there are lot of existing users are there. They are aware of the limitations in the QuickBooks. Like for example, payment voucher designing is not there, receipt voucher designing is not there. Although last year in the enterprise version, the US edition, they have released a layout designer for the receipt voucher, but still for the UK version, which is being used here in UAE because of the VAT calculation, the payment voucher, receipt voucher, and the invoice printouts as per the FTA, the local government rules and law, it is not having that much options in the default layout designer of the QuickBooks. So what we have done, we have developed one utility to help the existing QuickBooks users. If they already have a data, they already have a program installed, they can buy one add-on, which is the name is Voucher Print here. You can see like we have given additional options and a simple layout designer where the user can design their forms. So the data entry, like the normal workflow, it remains same. You can have the same invoice generation, the purchase orders, payment receipt. The only thing is you will get some more options for designing. Like having the local requirement fulfilled. I will give you an example of invoice. Let's say if I will go to the sales invoice, I will create an invoice. Just normal data entry, the invoice number, the quantity. We have some items. I will put one simple example to understand better. 100 dirhams, and I have one more item. This is so the total amount is 600, and I have applied 5% VAT. The total amount of VAT is 30. So normally, what other users have, they have a printout here. They can take a printout of this invoice. They can put the logo. But the problem is here, customers wants to show the VAT amount in every line, every row, each and every line they want to show a separate VAT amount. Although we can have in the default layout designer of the QuickBooks, you have the VAT total here in the footer. But if you want to show the VAT amount in the line, each row, then we have to use the utility. There are some other missing functionalities are there like amount in words, the serial numbers are missing in this layout. So what we have to do, just save the invoice the way you are doing it. Instead of taking a printout from the normal print window from shortcut from the quick, you have to go to the company and voucher print, and you can click on the invoice. It will open a window where the same transaction which has been posted to the QuickBooks, you can have your own customized way, the way you want, or you can say like the UAE supported format. Like I will show one of the layout here. So the same invoice you can take, if you can see in the QuickBooks, this is the same data screen, 100 530 is the VAT. If you take printout of the same transaction from this designer window, you can see the serial numbers are coming automatically. The VAT amount is showing in each line, and you have the VAT amount in the footer, and then you have the amount in words. So this is one of the best thing about this utility. Then you have a lot of different layouts. You can have different templates. I will save and close. The next is payment voucher or receipt vouchers. It is the same, like we can have the receipt voucher. Let's say this is the receipt voucher. You can have a direct print from the QuickBooks like this. Unfortunately, there is no option to modify it. It is just a default layout of the QuickBooks. And if I want to have my logo or authorized by or some other modification to be done, I can use the same utility here, and I will say payment receipt. It will print the receipt what you have on the screen. And let me maximize it. This is the same transaction printout in a different format. Here you can see the customer name is here, the project number, the amount, but in the same printout you can see a lot of options are there. Invoice number, the project is separated, the RV number, the date, the amount in words, and mode of payment, and some other stuffs are there. You can have the prepared by, checked by, approval things, and you can have multiple layout designs for this as well. So in order to get more detail, you can contact us. You can comment on the comment section, or you can directly reach to me. Team number 0564427403, and we can discuss about some more designing options for the voucher print. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.